If you remember, last week we were left with this big problem of the hole that we dug for the sewage treatment plant filling with water and collapsing. Let's see how the guys solved the problem and got the unit in the hole. So there we have the finished item. Sewage unit in the ground, cemented in, ready to go. How do you feel now since you've done the job from hell?
Tired. Tired and...
Sense of achievement?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little sense of
You feel like you've learned something about yourself?
Yeah, I learned I can work hard.
Get out of the building trade.